The HP Sprocket Select Printer makes printing vibrant 2.3-inch by 3.4-inch photos simple and exciting. First, open the printer's packaging. Make sure all included supplies are present. The contents should include the Select Printer, a USB charging cable, a 10-pack of photo paper, and setup instructions. Once all parts are accounted for, you can move on to loading your printer. Lift the paper cover from the printer, revealing the paper compartment. Then, open the wrapper of the photo paper pack and remove the contents inside. The pack should come with photo paper and an orange print quality sheet. Next, place the stack into the printer's paper tray. The orange sheet should be at the bottom of the stack with the barcodes facing down, while the paper should be on top with the shiny side facing up. Make sure the paper is inserted underneath the small tabs in the paper tray. Once the stack is properly in place, simply put the cover back on the printer.